Hello, everyone. After reviewing cases seen in repair shops, customer experiences, and opinions from motorcycle specialists, we gathered the most important signs that can help identify when the rectifier regulator may be failing. One of the most common problems is the battery not charging properly. Many customers come in thinking the battery is bad because they replace it, but the motorcycle loses starting power again shortly after. However, in many cases, the real issue is the regulator, which is responsible for controlling the amount of electrical power sent to the battery. Technically, this component can send too little or too much voltage, causing the battery to drain or even become damaged. That is why at the shop, we always recommend checking the voltage and inspecting the wiring and connections as well, since a poor ground or a damaged connector can create very similar symptoms. Another common warning sign is headlights that flicker, change brightness, or burn out quickly. Some customers mention that the headlight becomes extremely bright when they accelerate, or that other electrical components start acting strangely. This is often a sign that the regulator is no longer controlling the voltage correctly. Our technicians explain that the regulator works like a protector for the motorcycle's electrical system. If it fails, it can send more power than necessary and affect lights, sensors, and other components. On some models, manufacturers have updated certain parts or connections to help improve issues related to heat and wear. Finally, it is important to pay attention to burning smells, excessive heat, or melted connectors near the regulator. These symptoms often appear due to moisture, corrosion, loose connections, or excessive heat buildup.